The future and the past don't exist. The past doesn't exist anymore. The future doesn't exist yet. Although the future and past don't exist, we sometimes suffer them. We suffer the future because we worry about it. And we suffer memories of bad experiences. If we want to stop worrying about the future, we need to stop expecting bad things to happen. And instead, expect good experiences. Fear is not real. The only place that fear can exist is in our thoughts of the future. It is a product of our imagination, causing us to fear things that do not at present and may not ever exist. Cipher Age of After Earth. Imagining, desiring, and thinking positively sounds simple. Simple it is, but it's tedious because we have many negative subconscious expectations that get in the way. We need to dissolve those first. Dissolution is one secret of the great work and happiness. Ending suffering from memories is a bit more complicated. Our body reacts to experiences by conjuring emotions, like fear and anger. Emotional responses are illusive. The body makes them up. Experiences are neither good nor bad. It's our body's emotional reaction to experiences that makes experiences good or bad. Imagine we have a friend who gets cancer and dies. We should appreciate that our friend's death freed her from her suffering and allowed her to return to her soul tribe. But our bodies produce grief, which is an emotional reaction to loss. As you can see, we don't suffer our friend's death, we suffer the grief. And grief is made up. Our body reacts emotionally to memories too. Every time we remember our deceased friend, our body conjures grief again. We get out of this vicious circle by forgetting. Actually, subconsciousness does that. Subconsciousness suppresses painful memories. But this may not be healthy. Unresolved memories can turn into PTSD. When an external event triggers the traumatic memory, our body still reacts with fear or anger, but this time we don't know why. We can resolve traumas by recapitulation. I made a separate video about traumas. You can find the link in the video description. Traumatic memories cause rumination. Rumination occurs when we can't stop thinking about a memory that is bothering us. Rumination produces new negative thoughts and imaginings. These negative thoughts and imaginations trigger new negative emotions. For instance, we may think that our deceased friend died too young. That thought causes dismay. We may also think that our friend did not get enough help from doctors or the health insurance company. That thought causes anger. We may also imagine how our friend would still enjoy life if she wouldn't have died, and that imagination causes sadness. Rumination turns our minds into torture chambers. All of that torture is self-inflicted and illusive. This is one of the great ironies of life. To avoid suffering, we need to recapitulate memories and think and imagine positively. And sometimes we need to forget. On a side note, thinking and imagining positively uses the law of attraction to our advantage, which is a nice side effect. Thank you for watching Enlightenment Bites. I hope you discovered an inspiration or two. Please help to spread the light with a like and a share. And don't forget to subscribe. Love and light.